A perk offered to consumers during the pandemic has been extended indefinitely. Your annual credit reports are now available every week at no cost. NBC5 Responds reporter Diana Zoga shows you why you should take advantage, plus resources to help anyone get a better handle on their money.
Life is what brought me to this point.
After raising a family and taking care of an aging parent, Sybil Mayfield came to MetroCrest Services in Carrollton with a new purpose: to master her finances.
It's like I forgot about me. I forgot about my needs. I forgot about, my goals.
Over the last year, Mayfield and a MetroCrest Services financial coach met once a month to go over Mayfield's progress and questions.
I would tell her, what's going on with my finances and what I need help with. She gave me options and things that I could do to better my financial path.
It's an example of a free resource for North Texans aiming to increase savings, pay off debt, or build credit.
Sometimes there's shame involved with money. People don't want to talk about money.
MetroCrest Services Financial Education Manager Diana Zoga says a coach starts with a look at the client's cash flow, the net income coming in, and the expenses going out.
Where are you at right now? How's your cash flow right now? And then from there, we can look at the different options. It could be overwhelming, so we want to keep it simple, and that's why we meet with them often, so we can work on little tasks at a time.
Zoga says they work on a budget, which includes building an emergency savings fund. She points out it's tough to get out of debt if you have to take on more debt for unexpected expenses, like a car repair.
You go and use your savings instead of using credit again, right? So you're breaking those cycles that are not good for us.
Zoga says she helps clients sort debt repayment options. What are the highest interest rates? Is it possible to consolidate?
We can provide tools to maybe get a loan at a lower interest rate. Everybody needs a car and we get that, but again, what are my options?
Part of this financial homework involves checking your credit reports. They show bank, credit, and loan accounts in your name plus payment history. By law, consumers are entitled to view their credit report once a year at no charge. All three major credit reporting bureaus now offer online reports free once a week. Annualcreditreport.com is where you start.
It's a great way to make sure nobody's opening credit or trying to get an apartment or a job in your name.
Regularly reviewing your reports can flag identity theft. It can also save you money if you spot a mistake. An error could drag down your credit score, which means you'd pay a higher interest rate on loans. If you spot a problem, write 2 letters, one to the business, the other to the credit bureau listing the mistake. The FTC wrote a sample letter you can use as a template for yours. When you file a dispute, the credit bureau has 30 days to investigate.
If it's found in your favor, it truly is a mistake, then that credit reporting agency has to fix the error, and then they have to report to the other 2. So all 3 of your credit reports will be in line.
It only takes a few minutes to get started.
It's like anything. The more aware we become, the better changes we can make faster.
It can be a simple way to take the first step in improving your financial health.
I say to anybody, just don't be afraid. Step out.
In Carrollton, Diana Zoga, NBC5 Responds.
On nbcdfw.com, we are linking that sample letter along with additional resources and tools to create a budget plan, and where you can find free help through financial education workshops or individual coaching.